This video will show you how to add your Outlook calendar to your iPhone calendar. If you are looking for a way to directly two-way sync between Outlook calendar and Apple iCloud calendar, then follow the link in the description to set up this sync using ZZBots. From your home screen, go to Settings. Scroll down and select Mail. Select Accounts. Select Add Account. Select Outlook.com. Enter your login credentials. After you enter your login credentials, select any combination of mail, contacts, calendars, and reminders to be added to your iPhone from Outlook. Before you save, make sure that Calendars is selected. You can test to make sure that it is working by adding an event in your Outlook calendar on your iPhone, then checking to see if it was added in your Outlook calendar online. If you are looking for more ways to integrate your different apps together or automate your business, then be sure to hit that subscribe button for more videos, and check out our website at zzbots.com.